easiest ways to earn money when you're unemployed. If you're unemployed at the moment and looking for easy ways to earn money, then this video is for you. We all know that unemployment rate is consistently increasing across the country since the beginning of the pandemic. Also, many students are graduating every year to join the workforce. This makes getting a job very difficult. Even those who finally find a job may see themselves being underemployed or even underpaid. So, what are the available ways for people who are unemployed to make money? Just before we start listing them out, don't forget to subscribe to Academic Related TV and turn on the bell notification icon. One, start a blog. Blogging is one of the best ways for anyone who has no job to start making money. It is very fast to start and won't cost you more than $20 to set up your blog by yourself. But that is not the fun part. Imagine choosing a profitable niche and being consistent for at least 18 months. I bet you can be earning upwards from $1,000 if you get your onions right. It's even possible that you may never need to get a job again. 2. Create and sell online courses. Another way to make money when you're unemployed is to create courses and sell online. To do this, you need to have one thing that you can do really well. Aside from knowing how to do it well, you also need to know how to teach others. Knowing how to teach the course means learning how to communicate your ideas in a fun and engaging way. People will gladly recommend your online courses to others when they hold a lot of value. 3. Become a dropshipper. Dropshipping is currently disrupting the e-commerce space all over the world. People are making multiple figures online playing the dropshipping game. How the dropshipping business works is very easy. I will explain the dropshipping business using you as an example. Let's say you are the dropshipper. First, someone orders a product from your online store. After receiving the order, you forward it along with the customer's details to the supplier of that product. The supplier receives the order from you, packages the product, and drop ships the order directly to the customer in your name. It's that simple. So, as a dropshipper, you are basically a retailer who takes orders from the customers, and then you get the supplier or manufacturer of the product to fulfill the order. 4. Make money selling other people's products. Ever heard about affiliate marketing? Yeah. That's what I mean when I say make money selling other people's products, even if you are unemployed. Affiliate marketing runs a business model that allows you to earn commissions whenever you sell other people's products. This is one of the best ways of making money online, especially if you don't have any products of your own. There are many websites where you can register as an affiliate, from ClickBank to ClickFunnels and many others. You can sign up with these affiliate programs today. Find a perfect product and start earning huge commissions. Commissions can even get as high as 70%. 5. Make money selling ebooks. This is almost the same as creating your own online course. The only difference is that this time you are compiling your knowledge into a digital book. You don't have to pay any printing press to print your book. Neither do you need a logistics firm to ship it. Everything is done online. With good automation, people can order books online and receive it immediately in their email. You can also sell your ebook on your own website or on Amazon as a Kindle publisher. 6. Join the Amazon FBA program. You know Amazon to be one of the richest companies in the world, but do you know that you can make money on Amazon when you are unemployed? With Amazon FBA, you can sell your products on the Amazon market space very easily. 7. Teach English language to Chinese students. If you are fluent in the use of English language, I bet you have no idea the opportunities you are sitting on. People who teach English language to Chinese students make a lot of money every month. There's no limit to what you can earn, and to think that you only need a bachelor's degree, a few tech gadgets, and fluency in English language. This makes this job very exciting. There are a lot of websites for English language tutoring jobs. You can sign up immediately and start teaching English language for some cool cash. 8. Become a social media marketing expert. The use of social media is not rocket science, so practically anyone can become an expert in social media marketing. You only need to focus on fine-tuning your copywriting skills and writing catchy headlines. Also, you need to be there always to reply comments and direct messages. As a social media marketing expert, you can work for any type of company. Also, you have the liberty of working from anywhere you wish. Besides that, the pay can be very enticing, especially when you are working with a big company. In a situation where the pay is not as much as you desire, you can take up more jobs to complement it. 9. Design and sell t-shirts online. All you need for this business is to have an eye for quality t-shirts and the ability to create awesome designs. A lot of people like to look unique, so you can use your skills to give them what they want. You can open your own online store and have people make purchases off your website. Alternatively, you can list your product on other websites and make money for yourself. 10. Do paid dog walking for fun. This final way of making money when you're unemployed is for those who love pets. You can both have fun and at the same time make money when doing this job. You first have to let your neighbors know that you offer this type of service. From there on, they can refer you to their friends and family. Also, you can use social media to promote yourself so that you can reach more people within your neighborhood. So, jump on this opportunity immediately if you have the skills and then make some good money for yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon. Remember to watch our previous videos and share this video to get this message across to as many people.